Hello, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'd like to show you how to make some corn potato salad. Yes, I'm going to put some corn in the potato salad. I have some little pieces of red sweet peppers, and we're going to do it that way. How about that, huh? So, you know, you like in a cookout, you like the potato salad, you like the corn on the cob. Why not combine that? Let's see how that works, okay? Alright, thanks for hanging around. Give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, and check out my links below if you want to support this channel, okay? So let's do it. Okay, so I boil my potatoes for my potato salad with the skin on, okay? And then I let it cool completely, and then I take the skin off. And then I just dice it up. Like so. So this is what we have. This is a total of 4 potatoes. Okay, so that's plenty for 4 people. I take the knife and I just do like this because I don't like big chunks, but I don't like little ones either. Kind of medium. Okay, now that I've done that, now I use celery salt. This is the secret to my potato salad. Celery salt. How much or little is up to you. And I have 3 eggs already boiled. So I'm just going to cut them up. I'll chop them finer after I finish cutting the 3 eggs up. Now if you don't want 3 eggs in yours, you can put however many you want. I like a lot of eggs in my potato salad. And I have 1 more to cut up. Okay, and now I'm just going to take the knife. Let me show you. So you can see it's little and big pieces. So I'm just going to chop it right on the top to get the eggs a uniform size. Okay. Now I'm going to add some black pepper. This is my corn and red bell pepper. I put it in some water and I put it in the microwave on 4 minutes. Okay, so that's how I cooked it. I'm going to just pour it in there. So we have the red bell pepper and the corn and the eggs and the potatoes so far. This is relished. This is another secret of mine. I use relish in my potato salad. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. 3 tablespoons of relish. I only use Hellmann's mayonnaise in my potato salad. Now you guys know I cut the corner all the time, but when it comes to mayonnaise, I only like Hellmann's. Or if I'm down south, I like Duke's, because they don't have the Hellmann that I could find down there. Okay, so now I'm going to just mix this up together. I'm probably gonna need some salt, I can tell you that now. Okay, and let me taste. No, actually I don't need any salt. I need pepper. Put some pepper in. Okay, let me plate that up and let you see, okay? Okay, 1 second. Okay, so I have some spring mix, okay? And I'm just gonna plate the potato salad right in the middle, like so. That's just to make it pretty, and of course you can eat the lettuce to go, the spring mix to go with it. Oh boy, will you look at that. And let me see if I can find some paprika to go on there. Okay, I got my paprika. I'm just gonna, you don't want to go down low, you want to go from way up high so it's a light spread, not a heavy one. Okay, let me show you that. Look at that, guys. Bring that to your table, huh? 4 white potatoes. Would you believe it? And I think I had a half a cup of corn and like a 1/4 of a red sweet pepper. Okay? Okay, so let me taste for you. Let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is, it's praying time. Our country is really about to go through some serious stress because next week at the end of July, which is this month, 2020, that $600 extra in the unemployment is going to go bye-bye. And we don't know if it's going to get replenished or not. But at any rate, it has everybody on edge because now your budget is going to go from that extra $600 a week to minus that $600 a week. So the word of the day is praying time. Pray for our country. Okay, so let me taste. Here we go. Wow, that corn pops right out. I can taste it right away, and the potato salad is nice and creamy. I can taste the celery salt in it. Very good, very good. So you try that, something new and different for your table, okay? And please get some spring mix or something green and put it around the potato salad so that you can bring it to your table all nice and fancy, okay? Alright, give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Talk to you soon, okay? Check out my links below, would you? Thank you. Bye-bye.